In this composer tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate a rising dock. I will go to a new document, call it the rising dock tutorial. I have a 480 by 360 canvas. I'm going to select transparent, choose OK. I'm going to rename to buttons in the layers. And then I'm going to create 4 buttons using the theme button tool. Use device application order is always selected. The first theme button is going to be at a position of 0, 280 on your X and Y axis. And the fourth one will be at 400, 280. And I'm going to click and drag, select them all, right click, align, bottom, right click, align horizontally, and you will get this back to 0, 280 and click out of that. I am then going to create a transparent button using the rectangle tool. I'm going to drag it the size of the canvas. I'm going to make sure it's the right dimensions. I will use 0, 0, 480, 360. I will then select the transformation arrow. I will go to transform, down to opacity, drag it to clear, or a 0, right click, convert to button. We'll then go to that button, drag it to the bottom, and then at the same time I'm going to rename it Show Buttons. And when it's selected, I'm going to go into the Activate state, and I'm going to go to the Show Component. I'm going to click on Theme Button 1, and I'm going to keep repeating this until I have all 4 of my theme buttons selected. So when this is activated, it's going to make sure that all 4 of these show. Now that I'm done there, we will start with the animation. You may want to jot these numbers down or check them as you go. Theme button 1 is 0, 280 on the XY. Theme button 2 is 133, 280. Theme button 3 is 267, 280. Theme button 4 is 400, 280. Start with theme button 1, we will go to Edit. Wherever this visibility symbol is the one you will want to have highlighted. That is the initial state. This will be the next, will be the focus in, focus out, and activate. In the initial state, we only need 2 frames, so we will go to 10, highlight it, change it to 2. And in that state, we're going to want it in the initial state of 0, 280 in both frames. Now we'll move to the focus in and change to focus. We will want to start in the initial state or position of 0, 280. And for this tutorial, I'm going to pick the 10th frame, or the riser, at 200, 100. And that will show us a animation of our icon rising to that position. Next we'll go to the focus out. Once again select the normal image, and we will start in the rising position of 200, 100, and in the 10th frame we will return it to the initial state of 0, 280. And as you can see, that's going to take us back to our original position. In the activate state, we'll want to go to the 10th frame and change that to 2 as well. We will choose the focus image. Frame 1 and 2 both will be in the rising position of 200, 100. From here we will go back to the scene mode. This green box represents the animation area that this button will be working in. You will want to click and drag it back. We are looking for a position of 0, 100. We go over to the preview. You will see it focusing in and rising to the top, focusing out, dropping back into its initial state.